Good morning, everybody. This is Marty with House of Arms. We're here day 3 of the 2022 SHOT Show. We have the pleasure of having Dave Fricke here with us this morning. Good morning, Dave. And so Dave wants to cover some of the details of their Flip Grip. Have at it.
Okay. This is a product we're super excited about. Long time in development. We try to get everything right. Kind of the big picture is there were approximately 600,000 G1 contenders made. They were extremely popular back when there was silhouette shooting, long-range handgun shooting, and as that dropped off, that interest has dropped off. There's still all these great guns out there that now people might not want to shoot as a handgun. So we developed this Flip Grip, which add a brace to the back of it or a stock to the back of it. So with the brace version, you can convert any contender, G1 contender or SSK 50 handgun into a shouldered handgun. So it beats all the ATF requirements. It's a good way to get other people that are introduced to shooting that maybe don't have the time to practice to shoot long-range handguns. Much easier to shoot as a shouldered weapon. This version, we copied a 1911 grip angle. It's really super comfortable to be also used as a rifle, which is kind of surprising when we looked at different various grip angles and a vertical grip, of an AR-15. It gives you a lot of control and flexibility. The grip is nylon 11, so super tough and warm. We probably could have made this a little bit less expensive if we went with aluminum grip, and then we'd have to put plastic panels on it. But it's a hunting gun, so we wanted to make sure that in cold temperatures, it was comfortable for the shooter. It also pivots, so pivots and able to fold. We have a version here that we have collapse, so if you're carrying a backpack, you can put the gun in the backpack. Makes it a smaller package to carry around. With this is a Gearhead Works tail hook 2. With this onto the Flip Grip, we get 13 inches to 14.5 inches of expansion. So this is good for youth hunters to be able to move up into, as kids age, being able to move and not have to change the stock, complete flexibility. We're also coming up with a lower cost version of a non-hinging version to get some of the costs out of it for people that don't need the expense of the hinge. The hinge is kind of neat. We look, once again, this is a hunting gun. We don't have a locking mechanism that latches firmly, so what we use is a tension screw, but that keeps the design small and compact. You don't have, a big outboard, geometry and, machine work and things like that to lock it in place. It stays plenty good in place the way it is and keeps a nice compact and light profile.
And this also, Dave, comes in a traditional M4, so not the pistol brace type of back-end hardware.
Yeah, great point. So any AR-15, stock or brace components that you want to bolt on the back of it, we sell this as an assembly with the Gearhead Works, and we sell it with adaptive tactical stock, but we also sell just the plain grip assembly itself, and you can put any compatible stock or grip on the back of it.
Excellent, good job. So right now that's only for the G1 Contender SSK 50.
Yeah, G1 Contender SSK 50 right now. Our next version, we're going to start working on the Encore, and then after that, we'll look at doing the G2. We also make a complete four-end range. We make a carbine four-end, a handgun four-end, and a suppressed four-end, as we can see here, that go along with it. So match patterns, same materials as the grip.
Excellent. Good job, good work.
Thank you.
Excellent.